In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to empty trash in AOL Mail. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can clear out old messages and keep your mailbox tidy. First, open your web browser and use your preferred search engine to look up AOL Mail. This is a quick way to get to the sign-in page, especially if you don't have it bookmarked. When the results load, click the first result that leads to the official AOL Mail site. It's a good habit to glance at the web address and make sure it points to the legitimate AOL domain before you proceed. Once you're on the AOL Mail landing page, look to the upper right corner and click Login or Join. That button takes you to the sign-in screen. Follow the prompts to access your account. After you're signed in, you'll land in your inbox or main mail view, where you can see your folders along the left side of the screen. Now, find the trash folder in that left-hand navigation panel. This is where AOL stores emails you've deleted from your inbox or other folders. If your folder list is long, scroll down until you see Trash. If you recently deleted messages, you'll likely see a number next to it indicating how many items are inside. With your mouse, hover over the trash folder name. When you do, a small trash can icon or a clean symbol typically appears next to it. This hover action is key. It reveals the shortcut to clear the folder without opening it. If you don't see the icon immediately, pause the pointer over the folder name for a moment to let the controls appear. Click the Empty Trash option. Depending on your setup, you might also be able to right-click the trash folder and choose Empty Trash from the menu. When a confirmation prompt appears, read it carefully and confirm the action. This step is permanent. Once you empty trash, those emails are removed and can't be recovered. Before you confirm, make sure you've moved anything important out of trash and back into a safe folder. After you confirm, the trash folder will clear. You should see the message count next to trash drop to 0, indicating that everything inside has been removed. That's all there is to it. Using this method regularly helps free up space, keeps your account organized, and makes it easier to find what you need in the future. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, try adding a quick mailbox cleanup to your routine so your AOL mail stays fast and clutter-free.